Hello, second grade families. In this video, we're going to talk about how our students are learning money, addition and subtraction using money, talking about the dollar sign and the cent sign, skip counting by fives, tens, and 100s up through 1,000, and solving story problems using both the dollar sign and the cent sign. The story problems are very similar to ones we've done in previous videos. So in this video, we're going to focus more on the value of the coins and counting coin combinations and comparing them. If you have further questions about how to help support your children with this concept, you can reach out to your child's teacher. So when looking at the penny, pennies are worth 1 cent. This is the head side of the penny. This is the tail side of the penny. We touch on this a little bit in first grade, but we spend a little bit more time on it in second grade. When talking about nickels, nickels are worth 5 cents. This is the head side of the nickel. This is the tail side of the nickel. When we talk about dimes, dimes are worth 10 cents. This is the head side, this is the tail side. Quarters are worth 25 cents, head side, tail side, and the dollar bill is worth $1. We use this sign when we talk about dollars. We also use this sign interchangeably with the cent sign when we are working with larger groups of coins. So moving over here, I have 2 sets of different coins. We'll count these out, and then we'll look to compare them. So usually we teach the kids to start with the coins that have the highest value. So we sort them first, and then we move them around and we count them. This is great practice for skip counting. So we might have a 100s or 200s chart out to help the children practice their counting, their skip counting, so they can see the patterns. So when I'm counting quarters, I have 25, 50. Then I'm going to count by tens with my dimes here. So I have 50, 60, 70, 80. Plus 5, my nickel's worth 5 cents, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So when I'm practicing writing the signs, I would write 89 cents this way or 89 cents this way. Now when I look at this group, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull them apart based on value. I want to count the higher value coins first. So 25, 50 cents for quarters, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. And so as we're working with money with the children, we're always having them compare their values so they are aware of how much money they have. So we would say, which group has more? They would identify this one. A further question might be, how much more? And so we would subtract 74 from 89 to discover the difference. And so with practice and using different story problems and different examples, the children understand how coins work and how comparing them is an important skill that they need for life. Happy counting!